Hello, y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? Yeah, man. What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl, Debbie from down a yard. You know pretty? Yeah, man. I hope so, you know. Because, yo, they eat, me I tell you, from you see how me stay. Everywhere open up, fan a blow. Yeah, but no. Anyhow, it's a quick little smoothie because a pear smoothie and beer beverage. Alright? So inside I'm a blender here, so I have right here some cracky crushy ice. I'm going to start make so early in the heat. Have some ice. I want to put relatively amount of ice that, well, look, with smoothie if you have that kind of little snowflakes taste in it. You know when you drink your smoothie and you taste them little small snowflakes something. We have a cup of frozen papaya right in it. We're going to drop it. Okay? You kind of tonguing down, little tonguing down. We have a few slices of fresh mango. We might not put in all because we don't want to, you know, we want to get all the flavors them gel together. We don't want too much and nothing and too less of anything. Okay. Alright. Well, I'm going to put in one, I would call this a small ripe banana. But look guys, we're going to peel it and we're going to break it up and we're going to put it in with your hand. Look, when you're using your banana, you must make sure when you break it there's no stain. That means it's properly ripe. So we break it up and we add 5 pieces of banana. So far we have ice, frozen papaya, fresh mango and 1 small ripe banana. To this now, we have 1 bottle of Wray and Nephew rum cream. Not just any rum cream, you know, but Wray and Nephew. We're going to turn it over into it. Yeah? We have here some liquid spice, which 3 in 1. It is nutmeg, mixed spice and vanilla, all in liquid. So we're going to put in 1 cup and another little bit, a little chops more. Yeah? You know my thing already. We're going to put 1 dash of salt just to bring up everything together. Now we're adding for our blender. Okay. So first thing, because we have the ice in the bottom, we're going to put it on ice crush. So you know we want a little snowflake. Me tell you, I want the smoothie when you drink it, it just thick and nice, and you have the little snow flakiness, the little fine pieces of ice in there. Here we go. Alright, zoom in on it now. So we're going to do ice crush. Then we're going to puree. One more time, puree. It. That's finished. Now look at it. We're gonna pour. Wow, if you smell the flavor of the rum cream I come out of my smoothie, we're gonna pour right there. Wow, perfect, just the way I wanted it. Zoom right in on it, let them see it. Right in. Oopsie-doo. Look at it. Zoom right in. Another beverage, summer beverage from West Indian Delights. And we have some cinnamon powder here. Remember, I tell you, your kitchen feel free, you know. We're gonna get those out of the way. We're gonna just take a pinch of cinnamon and we're just going to put it all over it. We're not going to do it too much. We're not going to overpower it because you know the cinnamon is strong. That's it. Another summer beverage. This is a must-have on your list, guys. This is a must-have. Zoom right in on it. Let them see it. Large and small, or medium. Large and medium, or large and small, whatever. Zoom right in on it. Right? So it is rum cream fruit smoothie from West Indian Delights. Okay? Now, you know, of course, I'm gonna taste. I am gonna taste. And I'm gonna taste this one. Zoom right in. Zoom right in. Let me zoom right in. See how close you can get it. Let them see it coming. Even though it's nice and have this consistency, let them see it coming through the straw. Guys, the fruits, the papaya, the mango, the banana have its natural sugar. The rum cream has a little bit and has that creaminess to it. The salt doesn't bring up it, gig it up. The spice, gel, and the rum cream, perfect. That nice, not snowflakiness when you drink it and it comes through the straw. The coolness and you feel the pieces, the little particles of ice coming up. Try it, try it. From my kitchen to yours. Rum cream fruit smoothie. Enjoy. Yeah, man. If you have enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do so and thank you. Leave your comments below and don't forget to turn on your notification. Because listen to me, it is summer. We have fruits galore in season down here. And listen to me. Listen to me. This is just a tip at the iceberg. Listen to me. The whole works is left to come because listen to me. Summer just begin. So look here. Enjoy again. From my kitchen to yours. Rum cream fruit smoothie. Listen to me, man. Me have to go lick this one more time. Listen to me. Try it. Debbie from Donga Yard. And me say that. Boop.